express 0.16 in the form of p by q. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. After decimal, we have two digits, so we have to write 210. So now we need to reduce this fraction. So how to do that? We need to divide numerator and denominator by the same factor. If you divide 16 by 2, you will get 8. If you divide 10 by 2, you will get 5. Again, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. So 4, 5. If you divide 8 by 2, you will get 4. Yeah, 5. So basically, we are getting 4 over 5 times 5, 25. Look, there the common factor between 4 and 25 is just 1. So we can say that this is the reduced form.